Okay, today we're going to be talking about Google Presentations and Google Slides a little bit more. We want to open up the document that's called Cotton, and we want to rename it to Cotton Presentation. And now we want to view our presentation. There's all kind of fun things here. I'm just going to go through it quickly. We're going to add some things to this presentation and also take a few things out of it. Okay, so we've gone through there. We need to go down here to slide 19. And there's an image that I've left for you. You need to insert the Cotton Products image. So let's go to Insert Image. Choose an image. And it's called Cotton Products. And we'll hit Open. And this is one of the downfalls of using Google Slides from PowerPoint is we can't easily create these kind of documents. So I just took the picture of this document that I have previously created, and I'm going to let you insert it in here. So we're going to resize it so it fills most of this body area of the slide. We need to go to slide 13 now. And right here it says wrapped for protection. We're going to cut that. And we're going to go down here to 14. We're going to go to Insert. We're going to go to Word Art. We're going to paste. And that's what we're going to use. And we'll hit Enter. And we want to move this Word Art up. So it's in the blue area here. And we want to format this text. So we want the text color. We want our line color to be orange. And we want our line weight to be 3. So that orange really shows up well on the blue. It's easy to see. We want to go up here to slide 7. And we decide we don't want this slide. So we need to go delete slide. So that one's now gone. And we want to go to slide 17. And we want to change our layout here. We want to go slide, fly layout, and we want to make this title only. And then we want to create a table that is 4 by 9. So we're going to go Table, Insert Table, 2, 3, 4, and we'll drag down. It says 9 rows. Okay, for the sake of time, I'm not going to have you guys sit here and watch me insert text, but I'm going to put the information in here. And this is the information that you need to put into your table. So at this time, you probably want to pause this video and go over and input this data. Once you've got that done, you want to go to your top row. You want to go Insert Row Above. And we want to merge these cells. And we want to type data from the U.S. Department of Agriculture. Then we want to jump our size up here to 24 and make it bold. We then want to go down here to slide 19. And on this slide we're going to create a few shapes and use some of the drawing features. This isn't going to be the most detailed drawing in the world by any means, but it will get you into the habit of using some of the shape tools here. So we're going to go to Insert, Shape. Over here under Shapes we're going to choose our cube. We're going to draw a cube, I don't know about that size. With that cube selected, we're going to copy it and then paste it twice. So we have equal size cubes. Now we've got another one here. You can use the lines there to line those up. We're going to draw some arrows. So we'll insert shape, go to arrows, we'll draw an arrow here, and then we're going to copy our arrow and paste it so we have a duplicate the same size. So we'll go down here. Next thing we're going to do is draw another arrow going the other direction. So we'll go back to Insert Shape, Arrows, and we need this one. We'll make this one a little bit bigger. And then we're going to use our free rotate. So it's this little button right here, this little round piece. You can turn it. So if you look, what we've got is going to go from here to here down to this location and then over here for our steps that we'll be taking. And finally we need to make the cylinder or can shape. So we'll go Insert Shape, Shapes, and it's right here. And then we're going to make 2 more of those. And then you need to order these, so that makes it a little tough, but you have to play with them a little bit to get them to where you need to be. So we've got 3 of them there. Okay, we need to label our stuff. So up here the first thing is going to be the cotton gin, so we just double click. And then it goes over here and turns into cottonseed oil. And down here is the cottonseed oil in the canisters. And over here, finally, that cottonseed oil goes to the potato chip factory. Okay. We can go down to slide 20 here, and we want to create a new slide. And we want to make our slide totally blank. So we're going to go to Slide, and Apply Layout, and we're going to choose Blank. Okay, on this slide we want to insert some photos, and we're going to add an animation here as well. So we want to go to Insert, Image, and the first one I want to insert is the sky photo. And I want to stretch this out so it covers the entire slide. So when you're dragging your edges here, you can see you want to get all the way over to the edge. Okay. The next one I want to insert is the highway. And Google tries to even that up for you and center it. So let's just drag it straight down. And we want to go to the bottom. Okay. So now we have a sky and we've got a highway, and now we're going to insert a truck. Okay, we want to resize our truck a little bit, make it a shade smaller, and then we want to line it up so it looks like the wheels are touching the road here. Now, if we were using PowerPoint, we would click on this and there's a little magic wand looking tool that would make this white area all transparent and it would completely blend in. We don't have that option as a tool here in Google Slides, so what we need to do is double click to get to our image options. Click here, and then we want to adjust our transparency to 60. And we want to make our contrast down here back to 22. Okay, so that we've got that done, so we can close out of our image options. Then we need to go to View and then Animations. And we've got this selected, so we want to add an animation, and we don't want to use fade in. We want to actually change this to fly out to right. And we've got it here between medium and fast. If I hit play, watch what happens. Okay, we didn't get anything to happen there. Why not? So what we need to do is we need to go back and reevaluate what we've got. We've got to get rid of our old animation. It says on click, so we have options here. If we want to change this to on click or after previous, those are our options. So let's try it again. We look at it, got it. Now we click, and now you see it slide like it's going across the road here. So you can change, these are options, you can change your speed down here, how it reacts, and how that works. So we'll hit stop, and then we'll close our animation, and then we need to go to slide 2, and we need to insert a video. So talking about other things, what other things do they make? How do they make these things? So we need to go to insert, we're going to go down to video, and under YouTube we're going to type in crib bedding. We've got a couple videos here. We want to choose a short one. There's a 3-minute one. Here's a 1-minute one. Hit select. And now we need to resize our video so that it fits in this small area here. Okay. And we look at it and everything looks good there. So what's going to happen is we go through our presentation, it'll be here and you can click on it and then go the rest of the way through our presentation. That'll do it.